Oh, we are recording. Hey, how's it going? Well, probably had a lot of questions for you guys, or from you guys, is why is there no vlogs? It's because I don't really go out much, and there's no university as of right now, so I'm just at home, just doom scrolling. It's basically nothing else. So that's the main reason. So I came up with a couple of solutions. So I might just sort of just record myself just doing the most random stuff. For example, waking up, playing games. I don't know, maybe cooking something. Maybe not this. Well, the first thing on the random agenda is to clean my cars. Well, car and the truck. Because that's the one thing I want to do before. That's the one thing I want to do before going. So, let's get started. We're back in the car. I guess we never escaped the car. But, yeah, this is the car we need to clean. Well, let me show you something. This is the back. Yeah, there's a lot of newspapers. Every time I go to the post office, there's always a newspaper in there. So I pick out my mail, just chuck in the back of the car. But that needs to go away. Especially also need to vacuum the car as well. Yeah, a lot of snacks in here. I can probably make like a snack basket or a bag out of all the crumbs I can find in here. Well, start with the back seat first. I'm gonna get all of them out. So let's start a time lapse. I don't know how to actually turn it on. I don't even think that was like 10 minutes, like a couple of minutes. Okay, the car, point to straight to the point. All the newspapers are out. Now it's a time for front. I also took out the floor mats. So the back is almost ready to vacuum. Ready to vacuum. I mean, it is ready to vacuum. So this is the front. I don't think you can see down there because I can't see the mini screen, but also that needs to get cleaned out. There's not a lot of stuff here, but just random, really random stuff. Something like in the cup holder and stuff like that. So front is clean. Don't look. Oh, you can't even see either way, so don't worry about it. Okay, it's outside, but it's clean, ready for vacuum. My camera's about to die, so charging brick. So camera's finally done charging. It's pretty quick, but I took a very long break, so now it is. I don't know if you can see in the top. Well, it is 3:13, so I'm pretty much past the afternoon. Now I was gonna vacuum the car. That's the only thing left. And other than that, I had to go down and wipe all the door panels. Like there's some scratches, scuff marks, or some kind of marks, right? From rainwater coming in, stuff like that. And that's all about it. After we're done the car, and just gonna do vacuuming and clean out the driver's side floor. But that's the only one left to wash. So yeah, that's about it. So back to let's order for you guys go. Done the front. Now it's the time for the back. Almost started doing the back without like I didn't realize I gotta flip the camera phone to do the back. So now to the back. Not on the back side now, but it's got a lot for the front side. Is it? I forgot the line. I don't remember. Is it the same as dealership? No. Is it better? 100%. Am I happier? Yes. Well, I got the newspapers out. That was my main thing. It's out. This is like too much. It's like beyond. It's like A plus. I'm yapping too much. Well, it's officially done. Now, the only thing left to do is close up the car and clean up this mess. So, yeah, that's about it. Hey, then I guess see you guys tomorrow. I started to do the truck, but I'm not gonna do it today. It's like 5 o'clock, and there's thunderstorm warning, and I really don't want to be outside when the storm comes. So I'll do it tomorrow. See you guys. Bye. Probably not gonna record that one. I'm just gonna skip it through and go to get a haircut. Alright. See you guys tomorrow. Alright. I'm back from the barber. Now looking fresh. You know, I gotta look fresh for the boys trip. So I'm gonna be going down to Chilliwack, right? So back from BC. Right now I live in Alberta. So right now in BC, back to the homies. I'm going on a trip with them, so it's gonna be pretty fun. Probably the next episode, hopefully that I complete editing it. Because I'm coming back on Monday. I'm going tomorrow, so tomorrow is tomorrow will be the same since the video gets uploaded tomorrow. So it'll be tomorrow. Wait, you guys probably understand. It's going on the 16th. There you go. And I'm gonna come back on the 21st. So Monday, then Tuesday would be me to edit and post some Wednesday again. So in a week again. So yeah, it'd be pretty cool. And I just I forgot to record the closing, so that's why I'm here. So it's pretty good, man. Yeah, Barbara did me right. Alright, see you guys there. I'm in the video right now, and just as I feel to say, comment, like, subscribe, and let me know how it was. Right, see you guys later. Bye.